Hello guys. Today we are going to talk about variable, the main uses of variable. Okay. I hope you saw my previous video. So, let's go to the folder. Make a new file text document. I name it day 3 py. Py is the Python extension. Okay. We are gonna talk about variables. Variable. What is variable? Variable is a container that contain a value. Okay, like x contain 1. Okay, x contain 1, z contain 2, y contain 3. Okay, now I take these variables. Okay, x for 1, z for 2, y for 3. Okay, now I in the previous class, in the previous video, I told you that we make cannot start a variable with a number for. Okay, let's see it should show a error. Okay, it should, because Python doesn't start with variable doesn't start with a number. Okay, in Python. mm, Sorry, there is a lot of time taking. Okay, invalid decimal literal. Okay, it shows us a error. So now you see why we shouldn't start a variable with a number, or we cannot give any special symbol like this. Okay, it would also show us an error. This show us a error. Okay, so the only thing we can give is any letter, English letter, underscore, and a number. This is what a variable can be made. Okay, now let's print x. Okay, now print print y, print z, print x. Sorry, what is? Okay, it wouldn't show us a error. Why it's showing us a problem? I don't know. Print. Oh, sorry, there is a spell writing mistake. It should be RI. Let's print it again. Okay, 1 2 2 2. Okay, this works. Now I want to show you what the use of variable, like print print hello 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 Shango. Now print like uh, hello. I like Kamavinga. So I'm a Ronaldo fan. Okay. Okay. Please comment me down. Are you a Ronaldo fan or a Messi fan? Okay. Okay. You made thousands of this type of thing. Hello. I'm okay. One of my friends' name is Naban. He also have his own YouTube channel. You can see his one, and I like his content. Okay. Okay, this is my another friend name. So there is lot of this type of stuff. Okay, so like there is a thousand one. So if you want if you just want to simply x equal to name anything. Okay, I'm writing. Sorry, I'm taking a lot of time. I don't want to waste time. Okay, time is a very prestigious thing. Now, if you know that comma represent plus in Python, okay? Where I just give a comma x here, comma v, comma z, and comma y. So let's print it. So now, like you have a thousands of this, but you don't want to do this over and over writing this. So whenever you make a change here, it would be immediately change also here. Okay. So this is the benefit of using variables. Okay. So this is all about variables. Okay. So today I want to sorry, why did I? Sorry, sorry. I shouldn't delete that one. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to do basic maths in Python. Like one, plus one. So now one plus one is okay. One. Let's give some bigger numbers. It's like 4, 10, 20. Okay. So print 4 minus 23. Now print 4. Now how to do multiplication in Python? We give a star, the star 2. Okay. To do division, we give this symbol 4 divided by 2. Okay. Now you give print. There is another one 4. This one double shown if the remainder is in the fraction form, it would round it and take it to the nearest whole number. Okay, and another one is modulus. 4 means what is the remainder, okay, of the number. If the remainder of the number 3, okay, let's print it. What is the remainder of 4 divided by 3, okay? 24. 4 plus 20, 24. Okay, there is a problem. 23 minus 4. Okay, now let's print it again. Okay, 24, 19, 8. Okay, 24, 20 plus 4, 24. 4 minus 23, 19. 24, 8. 2 divided by 4, 2. 3 and remainder 1. Okay, 1 and okay, this is the basic how to do maths. Okay, so this is all for today. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like, share, comment. Okay.